most important thing is to have a student-centered perspective. It's really about the students, it's the student school. I'd love for them to have 2 weeks, which they will never forget. 2 weeks where they have met other young people from all over the world, where they've been exposed to also physics they had not dug into before. And maybe, just maybe, a few inspiring ideas that could go into their PhD project, into their research. I'd love for that to happen as well.
I actually learned things that will be useful for my PhD. I mean, I knew about graph states and cluster states, but I had no clue how they would come into play in quantum networks, for example. And so I think I can play with that. And so I guess that's what I take out with me. Also, I kind of made friends, I think.
We are also thinking about where are the students now. Some, of course, already expert in the same field. So there will be students in the room who already know what is going on in these talks. And then there will be other students for whom it's not very familiar. So we also have to have speakers who have the didactic skill to deal with that situation. So people we know from conferences do a good show and also really can show what are the difficulties and challenges in their work.
An amazing experience. I love the friends that I've made. I think there's a couple people that I've got the chance to know here that I'll hopefully stay in touch with. I love some of the things I've learned, and I'm looking forward to going back home and looking more into some of the topics I found the most interesting.
In general, I like the idea that they try to transmit to us that, to try to use research as a way to make an impact via the entrepreneurship. So that's something that I really appreciate, because it's something that is out of, let's say, out of our normal jobs, and I think that is a nice way to try to bring research outside and try to make an impact using doing real applications in society.
I had a question from a student just 5 minutes ago, what I had benefited from the summer schools I attended. And my very first summer school, I met 15, 20 of my present day's colleagues in science. Okay? So I think the most valuable things they really get is the network. And it will be interesting for them to have contacts, reach out to the chief scientists who are here and who may offer positions and may advise them. But I think in the long run, it's actually the friendships that they build. It's truly the network for the rest of your scientific career you can build in a summer school like this one.